Hi and welcome to my second Skillshare class. In this class, we will learn to paint beautiful birds with florals. We will use reference images to paint our birds and draw flowers in our own style. First we'll talk about sketching and then slowly move on to sketching and painting 3 different birds. This class is both for beginners and experts as there's a lot of room to experiment with shapes and colors. Hi, my name is Ashwini and I'm an artist living in Austria. I work mostly with watercolor and gouache. You can find more about me in my profile page and on my Instagram page as well. I want to give you complete support during this class, so I'll be sharing my Pinterest board full of birds, which I usually use for my reference. I'll also be sharing all the sketches that I do and all the colors that I use for all the birds in this class. I've tried not to speed up the class as much because I want you guys to paint along with me. I hope you have fun and I can't wait to see what you create from this class.